I know it's been a minute. Actually, let me go hit mute real quick. YouTube, as you can tell, is very hot. I put it in a canned good, as you can tell, because I'm about to get ready to go ahead and go get a towel. But yeah, I just used the hot water, and now I'm just getting ready to set it.
Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought, that's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about.
Solomon. He is right there. Hi. Hello. It's my baby. Solomon. He needs to go outside. So I promise we're gonna go outside. Something like this. This is actually a puzzle. I thought they sold it, but it's a puzzle. Like, I don't want that cross stitch. I don't want that. This is the colors that I'm looking for. I'm looking for something like that. Something colorful I'm gonna put on my back patio, and then buy the pots right along with it. So, and then also, this is my content. That's the old, it's gonna include Instagram and YouTube stuff, what I need to do, and my campaigns, what I need to do. It's all sewn together, and I just use burlap. This is called the Roman French style way of doing curtains. So basically, when I wanted to put it up, I just tie those two strings, two burlaps. I just tie it any kind of way. There's a fancy way to do it, but I'm still learning. But all of that's hemmed, sewn. The bottom part of this fabric's not hemmed up. So it's gonna go up. But just to add a little something to the kitchen. I'm about to go take Solomon outside, and I think this will be the end of the vlog. Thank you for tuning in to Tania Estelle, where everything's faith, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you know you like this type of content, you know to start watching, and I'll see you soon. I promise. It's coming out. I'm coming out.